in one of the world's friendliest rainforests in Africa. There are no big
rainforests are in Africa! Okay, do that again. I don't care, that's funny. That is funny right there. That is cool. I'm not even going to stop. Okay, 3, 2, 1, action!
I am here in one of the world's friendliest forests in Africa. There are no deadly animals here. It's just friendly snakes and tigers and gorillas.
Die! You should die. Sam, you ruined it. Ew! You should die. Just fall down and die. No, we gotta start over now. Okay, give me the monkey. Okay. And go farther back. Go farther back. 3, 2, 1, action!
I am here in Africa, in one of the world's friendliest forests, with only gorillas and tigers and monkeys.
Ooh, she died. That's poker. Jab. Oh, she's not dead yet. Let me throw the monkey back on her. Okay, that's good enough. You're dead enough now, right? Yeah, she did.